For her, finding treasures was this simple. For me, it was a complete disaster. Welcome back, YouTube. AI Resell Nerd here. Today I'm with Kalia. We're at the mall, headed back to my buddy's toy store. Our mission is to test out these Ray-Ban Metas I just got in. I just paired them up this morning. This is my first test run with them. I have not ever used them, ever. We are gonna pair it up with Insta-ROI, and the goal is to be able to scan as many items as we can, pick out the most profitable items in the store. Clea wanted to join. She wanted some free Funko Pops. I told her, hey, this is the deal. You have your own Insta-ROI app. Any items that you scan that brings in 100% ROI, those items are yours. So she's really excited. I'm really excited. We're all excited. Let's freaking go. Find something? What'd you get? Man, I haven't even started yet. Still trying to figure out Wi-Fi.
I'm gonna do this.
Let's see.
I'm gonna do that.
You sure? You did the math all right? Okay. All right, so this is where you're gonna take this and put it over here on the shelf. Before we proceed, subscribe and support the channel. I eat, breathe, and sleep reselling, AI, and building tools. What you see here, you won't find anywhere else. If new tech drops that can help us resellers, I'll test it first. I move fast so we stay ahead of the curve and defend ourselves from corporate America taking over our space. Stick with me. All right, it's been about 20 minutes and I finally figured out the whole Wi-Fi thing. I just shut it all off. I forgot the network, so it was really messing me up. I connected to all Wi-Fi, connected to the shop's Wi-Fi. It was just lagging big time. So now I'm working on cellular. I'm gonna choose a shelf. All right, we need to get this moving because Kalia's kicking my butt right now. So let's start with this shelf. Here's my first attempt at using the Ray-Ban Metas to identify items. After snapping a photo, I imported it into Meta AI app. That step's clunky, but importing multiple photos at once saves time. From there, I dropped the photos into GPT, which was pre-prompted to spit out clean Funko titles. Problem is, my picture was trash. GPT only got 29% right. That's a F-, total fail. But failures are inevitable when you're creating new workflows. That's how you figure out what works. On to the next. The thing that about these glasses that I'm not used to is the POV. Obviously the picture that I take doesn't really match with what I'm looking at. So every time I take a pic, it's like a wide lens. It's definitely a lot larger of a POV than what I'm seeing. So we'll go ahead and try it out. On my second attempt, I had an issue connecting to the glasses. I need a troubleshoot here. Metas actually don't need Wi-Fi to transfer pics. It acts as its own hotspot. Another fail. What'd you get?
This one.
All right. You beat me today. I'm still trying to figure this out over here. All right. You're good. Keep going.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, let's go ahead and try this again. I feel like I need to stand a little bit closer this time. On my third attempt, I fixed my positioning and got a clearer shot. Accuracy jumped all the way to 92%. From 29 to 92, that's huge. Finally, success. What was it?
The level was 180.
Okay. It's yours.
Found this one.
Ooh, 200?
Yeah.
All right, you got it.
So,
Kalia has 4 and I have 0, so I need to get to work now and stop messing around. This time I'm actually going to enter it into the Insta-ROI app, so let's go. Running it back, accuracy bumped slightly higher, just over 92%. This time I pasted all the titles into Insta-ROI. I recently added an itemized toggle so you can enter individual costs for each item. It's a little extra work, but when you're cherry picking, every item has its own price. The only miss here was one item GPT misidentified. which meant no API result. But even with that hiccup, Insta-ROI showed me exactly which items were worth buying. In this lot, I found 2 solid flips. That's the magic, cutting through the noise to spot the winners. All right, this obviously didn't go as smooth as I thought. So we've been here for close to an hour now. I think more so it's me getting adjusted to using the glasses and the workflow. But nevertheless, the identification is super impressive. I can't wait to start using this at the estate sales. All right, now that I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with it and I got the whole Wi-Fi issue figured out, let's go ahead and step it up a notch. I want to go ahead and take multiple pics and upload it to GPT, see maybe if it can identify 50 items and then also time it. All right, let's do it. Let's start with this shelf right here. This is our last run. Before I show the results, quick reminder, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment on what you want me to test or build next. Coming up, we'll be identifying estate sale, garage, and flea market finds. Let's get back to business. I sped this up, but the stopwatch is synced with the workflow. And here's a crazy part. GPT nailed 40 out of 43 items. That's 93% accuracy in less than a minute. Freaking mind-blowing. I think it's safe to say we're ready for the real field test. Stay tuned. All right, flea is ready to go. We've been here for too long. I mean, I told her it was only gonna be an hour. I was able to get just a few items. She got like 4 or 5, so she's pretty happy. But nevertheless, she's ready to go, and I'm ready to go too. In regards to the mission today, we did accomplish a little something with at least the identification part. I'm pretty excited to see the accuracy and how quick I was able to identify, the multiple items. So we'll see how that works and later on when I get home and test everything. Yep. See you guys later.
That was fun.
Was it? You had fun. It was tough for Daddy today. I was trying to figure out everything and the Wi-Fi was messing me up. But we'll get it next time. It's okay.